In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert 4K to 1080p. If you've shot in 4K but need a smaller, more compatible file for sharing, faster uploads, or smoother playback on most devices, converting to Full HD is a smart move. We'll do this quickly and cleanly in CapCut, making sure your video keeps its look while reducing the resolution and file size. Start by opening CapCut. Give the app a second to load and make sure you're on the main screen. You don't need to change any settings or templates for this. We're keeping the process simple and focused on export quality. Next, tap New Project. This creates a fresh timeline so you can bring your clip in and go straight to exporting. You don't have to make any edits unless you want to. The goal here is just to take your existing 4K footage and produce a 1080p version. Now import your 4K video. Browse to your clip, select it, and confirm to add it to the timeline. Once it's in, you can scrub through a few seconds to make sure the right file is loaded. Don't worry about filters, effects, or trimming if you don't need them. We're focusing purely on resolution conversion. When you're ready, tap Export. You'll see CapCut's export panel, which is where the key settings live. This is the only place you need to make adjustments. Look for the resolution option and set it to 1080p. That's 1920 by 1080 pixels, also known as Full HD. This step tells CapCut to scale your 4K footage down while keeping the overall framing. You won't lose your aspect ratio, and you shouldn't see any cropping, just a smaller, more manageable file. Next, choose your frame rate. Set FPS to either 30 or 60. Go with 30 frames per second for a classic, widely compatible look and a smaller file, which is perfect for most social platforms and everyday playback. Choose 60 frames per second if your original footage was shot at 60 or if you want extra smooth motion for action, sports, or gaming clips. Matching the original frame rate generally helps preserve motion consistency. With those two settings locked in, tap Export to start rendering. Keep the app open while it processes and make sure you have enough storage and battery. When it finishes, your 1080p file will be saved and ready to share, upload, or archive. You'll get the benefits of a lighter file without the need to re-edit your project. And that's it. Open CapCut, create a new project, import your 4K video, export with resolution set to 1080p and FPS at 30 or 60, and finalize the export. Simple, fast, and effective.